Hello, welcome back. Episode 3 of Season 2 now. We have a new monster. You already know what it is. Well, no, you don't know what it is. Let me show you. Drum roll, please. Bad apple. Now, how do we feel about apple chat? Me personally, it's okay. No, but apple flavorings are just kind of so-so for me. So we'll see how this goes, but don't know, click. Okay, I need to do this. Hopefully that's good. Let's crack this bad boy open, shouldn't we? Smells like apple, yeah. That's definitely an apple smell, yeah. Hint of apple.
Shut your fucking mouth!
No. Anybody, whoever tells me apple juice is better than orange juice, your ass is lying. It's kind of mid. I mean, it tastes like apple. It's just like... It tastes like if you like carbonated, freshly squeezed apple juice. This one we couldn't find in America for the longest time. It was only in like Canada or something, I think. Maybe other places too, but it's where I remember it being. I just never had it. No. I was gonna do the review earlier, like probably a whole month earlier, I think. But I get to it when I get to it. Smell. Smell like a 4 out of 10. I don't. Taste. I'll give it a 5. No, it's not bad. It's just kind of middle of the line for me. It is what it is. It's whatever. Overall score, total score, final score, whatever. I'm gonna give it a 5. Big old 5. Now shall we slam it?